So welcome. This is our tent. This is the tent my family and I would go on when we were going camping. You can see here's where my cot is. My older brother would have a cot on the other side. And the last place we used this was for a 4th of July weekend. We went down and camped in the woods for a weekend, and then we just hung out with us in a family group. Then we've also taken this to like Easton National State Park. That one was nice because there was actually water. Some cases too much because it was raining. And then we've also taken this to the redwoods last summer. We took it to the redwood forest. That one was a week we would spend there camping, hanging out, going to meetings, and sleeping here. At that time, we also, since it was a week, we got a power cord. What? I'm trying to film here.
Reagan, okay, if you're gonna do that in the studio though, you have to make a reservation.
Okay, fine.
Okay, come on out. All right, come here, Reagan. I don't want to do this, but you know the rules. Hands behind your back.
Just a video.
I don't make the rules. All right, other hand, yes. You know what you did. Hey, Emily. I got another one in the studio. Have fun with it. Victory! That's why you make a reservation.